Measurement. Accurate measurement of quantities is required in physics to enable us to obtain accurate results in experiments. In this section, we learn how to measure mass and volume and to calculate density. Volume is the amount of space occupied by an object. Its SI unit is cubic meters. Volume of a regular solid. The volume of a regular object can be determined by calculation using the right formula for the shape. For example, to obtain the volume of a rectangular block, we multiply length by width by height. Volume of an irregular solid. Volume of irregular objects can be measured using the displacement method. In this method, water is poured into a measuring cylinder up to a certain level and its volume is read. The object is then gently immersed into water and the volume is read once more. Volume of the object is the difference between the two readings. Mass. The term mass is often confused with weight, which is a closely related quantity. Mass is defined as the quantity of a matter in an object. It is measured in kilograms using a beam balance. Measurement of mass. In the following demonstration, a stone, wooden board and bottle are weighed separately on a beam balance. Note the reading for each object, then identify the heaviest and lightest of the three. Density. Observe what happens when a sponge is placed on the pan of a beam balance. What happens when a stone is placed on the other pan? Note that although the two objects have almost the same volume, the stone tilts the balance to its side, implying that it is heavier. That is, a stone is heavier than an equal volume of sponge. In the next activity, calculate the ratio mass to volume for the pairs of values given and complete the third column of Table 1. Compare your results with those in Table 2. Density of liquids.